In the previous video, I have taught you how to construct this type of triangles using ruler and compass. So now I am going to explain you how you will write the steps. The steps should be according to the work done. Means how we have constructed, in that way only we have to write. So let's see. So what we have done? We have first drawn a line AB of 6 centimeter. Sorry, AB of 7 centimeter. So our first step is, let us draw a line AB equals to 7 centimeter. Then what we have done? Taking A as center and AC equals to 6 centimeter as radius, we have drawn an arc here. So taking A as center and AC equals to 6 centimeter as radius, draw an arc. So we have drawn an arc. Again taking B as center and BC equals to 5 centimeter as radius, draw another arc. So taking B as center and 5 centimeter as radius, we have drawn another arc which cut the previous arc at C. That means arc of step 2 at point C it has cut. Then we have joined A and C and B and C. Okay. Hence we have got the required triangle ABC. In this way, 12B exercise 5 questions are there. That all you will do and write the steps accordingly. Here, since the triangle is ABC, so we have used the term ABC. In the other questions, there are XYZ, PQR, LMN, etc. So, accordingly, you will use. Now, we will move to B type of triangle. This one is the A. Construction of triangle, first type. Now, we will go to construction of triangle type 2. So, type 2 is construct a triangle whose length of two sides and the angle between them are given. Here, two sides and the angle between them will be given. Apparatus required are ruler, compass and protractor. So now we will construct these type of triangles whose two sides and the angle between them is given. So let's see how to construct. So here is the example. Construct a triangle with AB equals to 6.2 centimeter, AC equals to 4.5 centimeter and the angle between them, that is BAC, equals to 55 centimeter. So here one is 6.2, one is 4.5. So the rule is we have to draw the longest one, that is AB we will draw 6.2. You can see here I am drawing 6.2. This is 6, 2 marks after 6. So it is 6.2. Okay, this one is AB. Now angle BAC equals to 55. So BAC, that means at point A I need to draw 55 degree using protractor. So I have taken the protractor. I have placed here coinciding the line of the protractor with the drawn line AB. Now, since this is the right hand side of the line, since this is the left hand side of the line, so we have to use the lower scale. Here it is 50, okay, and that will be 55. I have given the mark as 55. I have joined these two. I have marked this as X. Okay. Now, with the help of compass, I will take the measure of AC. That is 4.5. So 4.5. Here it is 4.5. Okay. I have taken the radius of 4.5. I have placed it at A and I have given an arc. The arc cut the line XA at C. This point will be marked as C. Now we will join BC. Hence, ABC is the required triangle. In some questions, it may be asked to measure the other two angles also. Okay? So this is just an example. Now we are going to exercise 12C. I will show you 12C's 3 number. Okay? So now let's see how we will do that. So here is the question. Construct triangle XYZ in which angle XYZ equals to 70 degree, XY equals to 7 centimeter and YZ equals to 8.2 centimeter. So out of these two sides, the longest is 8.2. So we will draw 8.2 first. So with the help of scale or ruler, we will draw 8.2. Here it is 8. 2 mark is 8.2. It is marked as Y, Z. Now we need to draw an angle at Y because in the question it is given angle XYZ. XYZ is given as 70 degree. Okay. So we need to draw at Y angle 70 degree using protractor. So I will place the protractor at Y and allow the initial line of the protractor to coincide with the drawn line. Since this is the left hand side, so we need to use lower scale. Here is 70. I have marked here 70. Now I will draw a line through these two. Okay. This is X. Now I will take a radius of 7.2. I will take a radius of 7.2. Here I have placed. Here I have taken. I placed it at Y and I have given an arc. Okay. Then this arc will be named as, this one is X. Suppose this one is A. This I have joined this as X. Okay. So we have got the triangle XYZ. Like this way, you have to construct the remaining problems, means remaining construction of exercise 12C. Now we will see how to write the steps of constructions here. Now see the steps of construction. Let us draw a line AB of 6.2 centimeter. So what we have drawn here? AB equals to 6.2. Then at point A, draw an angle BAX equals to 55 degree. So at point A, BAX equals to 55 degree is drawn. Third point is taking A as center and AC equals to 4.5 centimeter as radius, draw an arc which cut AX at C. So taking this one as radius, we have drawn an arc which cut AX at C. And the last point is join BC. Hence, ABC is the required triangle. So, the remaining problems and steps you need to write by yourself. In our next class, we will meet you with the third and the fourth topic. Till then, stay safe and stay protective. Thank you.